This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Let's talk about CyberLink PowerDirector 365 pricing, starting with what it costs and how it's structured. PowerDirector 365 is basically CyberLink's subscription-based video editing solution, designed for creators who want ongoing updates, premium content packs, cloud storage, and access to the newest features without paying for upgrades manually. You can grab a monthly subscription at around $19.99 per month, or go with the annual plan billed yearly at around $69.99, which works out to roughly $4 to $5 a month if you commit for a year. This pricing puts PowerDirector 365 well below some big-name professional editors, but above free tools and very basic editors. For many casual editors, the cost feels approachable compared to high-end software, because you're paying for ongoing improvements instead of buying a static version and seeing feature support end. Alongside PowerDirector 365, CyberLink also offers Director Suite 365, a broader bundle that includes photo editing and audio tools for a higher annual price. But the core PowerDirector 365 subscription is very much the focus for video editors looking to create content now. As for features, PowerDirector 365 has grown substantially over the years with a mix of professional editing tools and beginner-friendly enhancements. You get a full timeline editor with support for multi-track editing, 4K and even 8K editing, motion tracking, AI-based tools like scene detection, voice-to-text transcription, and automatic caption generation, a huge library of transitions, titles, and effects, plus regular premium content packs added monthly. Cloud storage, plugins, and access to millions of stock videos, images, and music tracks can also be included, depending on your plan. One of the strengths here is how PowerDirector keeps adding features through subscription updates, meaning you're not stuck waiting for the next major release to get new tools, templates, and AI enhancements. It also has a very intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy for beginners to pick up quickly and is flexible enough for seasoned creators who want more advanced tools without a steep learning curve. However, there are pros and cons worth considering. On the plus side, the subscription price is far more affordable than some professional tier editors, and the amount of content, effects, and templates you receive can make it feel like you're getting solid value for money. Regular feature rollouts and AI tools help automate repetitive tasks and open creative possibilities without additional purchases. The cloud storage, stock assets, and content updates put it in a strong position for creators who want everything in one place and updated frequently. On the downside, some users find stability issues or occasional crashes, especially with high-resolution projects. And there are community discussions about performance hiccups and frustrations with interface changes. Some seasoned editors also feel that while PowerDirector is feature-rich, it doesn't offer the same depth or precision control that pro users might expect from higher-end subscription-only tools. Since the subscription model constantly updates features, some older workflows or tools may change over time, which can be irritating if you prefer a static, unchanging interface. There's also a difference in Mac versus Windows capabilities, with Windows often getting more robust feature support. Overall, PowerDirector 365 presents an attractive price for content creators and hobbyists who want a powerful editor without the heft of pro-level subscriptions. If you edit regularly and want access to new effects, AI tools, stock content, and automated features, the subscription model is compelling. But if you're a pro who wants maximum control and consistency, it may feel a bit too simplified or occasionally unstable at higher editing loads. Now let's look at Adobe Premiere Pro pricing and how it compares to CyberLink PowerDirector 365. Premiere Pro is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription ecosystem and doesn't offer a perpetual license. You pay as you go. For individual users, Adobe lists plans starting at around $22.99 per month when billed annually, with the option of paying more if you choose a month-to-month subscription. Adobe.com+1. That base subscription gives you access to the latest version of Premiere Pro with all its professional editing tools, plus regular updates and cloud storage. There's also a broader Creative Cloud Pro bundle that includes Premiere alongside 20+ other Adobe apps, like Photoshop, After Effects, and Audition, for a significantly higher monthly price. Students and teachers often get discounted Creative Cloud plans, but for most individuals, the standalone Premiere Pro subscription is the most cost-effective way to access Adobe's flagship video editor. Adobe.com. Unlike PowerDirector, 365's friendly pricing around a few dollars a month, Premiere Pro's subscription sits higher, reflecting its position as a professional tool used widely in film, TV, web content, and broadcast environments. There's no free version, but Adobe typically offers a 7-day free trial, so you can test drive the software before committing. MirrorCamp talking about features, Premiere Pro brings a level of complexity and depth that justifies that higher price tag. You're dealing with a timeline-based editing environment that supports virtually every video format imaginable, powerful media management tools, advanced color correction and grading with Lumetri tools, multi-camera editing, precise audio, mixing and keyframing, plus deep integration with other Adobe apps. Motion graphics templates, text-based editing, automatic captioning, AI-assisted media intelligence, search and generative tools are part of the regular updates that keep Premiere competitive in 2025 and beyond. One standout advantage is Premiere's integration strength. If you've ever used Photoshop, After Effects or Audition, you'll find a seamless workflow where assets move freely between programs. Need advanced visual effects? Dynamic Link with After Effects lets you build complex animations without rendering every change. When it comes to pros and cons, Premiere Pro's greatest strength, its power and depth, can also be a weakness depending on your perspective. On the plus side, you get industry standard features, constant updates, AI enhancements, professional color grading, advanced effects, excellent multi-format support, and strong integration with Creative Cloud services. Now, putting trust and ratings into perspective, we should be transparent. Like PowerDirector, some tools don't have large aggregated review ratings on Trustpilot or similar review platforms, which means you might not see a trustworthy numerical score before buying. In this specific script context, there's no official Trustpilot rating for PowerDirector 365 that's widely quoted, which doesn't necessarily reflect quality. It just means there isn't enough verified public review data available right now. Adobe Premiere Pro, as part of the Adobe ecosystem, does tend to show reviews and user ratings across multiple review platforms, thanks to its wide usage, giving you more community feedback to base decisions on. However, always check the most current data before committing. So here's the final takeaway. If you want a cost-effective, easy-to-use video editor that still offers solid editing tools, stock content, and regular creative updates, CyberLink PowerDirector 365 is a great choice for beginners and intermediate creators who want value and simplicity. If you're a professional video editor, filmmaker, or content creator looking for deep control, advanced effects, collaborative workflows, and industry-level tools, Adobe Premiere Pro justifies its higher subscription with unmatched features and connectivity across the Adobe S.